The world first shared computer platform, that is Blessed Network. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a very big update that I want to show you guys about this project Blessed Network. Guys, so many information is being released on this project these days, and I've just showed you guys on how to register for the airdrops. And a new information has just been released 10 hours ago. The Bless, that is the TIME Airdrop. And here is the article that you need to read or you need to know about this project. So we're going to take a look at this article and see one or two things about this project. Every node runs and contribution made has helped build a network that truly belongs to its users. The world first shared computer. If you have been part of that, this airdrop is for you. So if you have been mining on this platform, if you have been following what I've been sharing on this platform, either on this channel or on our second channel, then this information is going to help you. You can as well still join if you have not joined, because this is going to cover some of the important information that you need to know about this project. You have it here, guys, that it says Bless Airdrop, and here we're going to get Time Airdrop, the Time Airdrop guide. So here is the guide to know if you eventually are going to qualify for this airdrop or not. The future AI should be powered by everyday people and their device. So your devices matter most, and that is all you have to know. Every node run and contribution made has helped build a network, the world first shared computer. Now here says that 10% of Blessed for Mainnet launch. But before that says, if you have been part of this airdrop is for you. It's not just a thank you, it's your share in this decentralized internet we've built together. So it says that 10% of this project is for you. We've set aside 10% of total Bless for the launch of Bless Mainnet. We are actively deterring bots and identifying symbols. Any manipulation will be slashed to protect the rightful share of real member. So if you are a real member, if you have not manipulated anything, guys, you are very lucky because you're going to get this. And I've made a video on this about the time and about the Bless, that is 2 tokens together in the same platform. 2 tokens, 1 mission. The first one was time, and the second one is going to be Bless. So here we're going to talk about time, and everything you need to know about Time Airdrop is in this article. That is exactly what we want to take a look at in this video. The reward for any contribution to the shared computer, such as running a node or creating impactful content. Time can be used to redeem Bless. So you can use your time to redeem your Bless token. And here is an overview of Bless tokenomics can be found here. So you can as well take a look at this. We'll likely take a look at it at the end of this article. Chapter 0 of airdrop. So we're going to take a look at this. Tells you that this token is going to be in different chapter. Bless will be operating in chapters. Chapter 0 represents our testing phase. During this chapter, we are issuing 100 million times, which corresponds to 8.5% of Bless. That is 1.5 of Bless is reserved as exchange listing project. This is a very good one because they've set aside certain percent for exchange listing. That is, they've projected 1.5% out of 10% for exchange partnership. That is very good one. Chapter 0 airdrop will be first step in rewarding early contributor and setting the foundation for future mainnet chapters. Then let's continue. Now here we have the chapter 0 airdrop has 4 major steps. The first one is registration, and we've made a video on that registration process. I will drop a link to the process in this video. I'm going to share 2 major videos with you guys. One is completely guided on how to use your mobile device, and the other is how to use your laptop. So if you don't have your laptop, you can watch that of mobile device, but just make sure you watch this process to be able to complete registration process. You see, I have some days, guys, to complete registration process. And it says registration is taking place from 13th to 21st of August 2025 and ends at 6 p.m. UTC. This is a simple step where you will provide a Solana wallet address to receive your airdrop, and we will verify your eligibility. Now, here are the criteria for the eligible. Eligibility will be based on multiple factors such as how long have you been running Node? That's how long have you been mining on this platform? If you have participated in our previous testnet phase or phases, if you have been an active community member on Discord or Twitter, whether you have built on Bless. So this is the first thing you need to do. Then after registration, the next step is going to be validation. This will take place in between registration and claim. So after you've registered your airdrop account, you submitted your wallet address, which we've guided in this channel, and the link to that video is in this video description. So go and watch that and do that before the 21st of this month. As of this written, Blaze has reached an incredible 6 million plus node and about 2 million users, making our testnet one of the largest in the world. With growth at this scale, it's not possible to reward every single participant. So they've made it clear that it's not going to be an easy task, but if you are a fair user, you're going to get reward for that. Instead, reward will go to those whose contribution had the most impact, while every member remain part of the foundation we are building together. The team is doing their best to filter out symbols. Here are few techniques employed to illustrate the point. So if you try to trick the system, then some measures will be put in place to check it. The first one is checking IP address, whether a node is coming from an industrial instead of residential IP. Check email domains, whether it looks like a personal email or mass generated one with private domain. Checking overload completion. Some syllables have been stimulated bless node are not actually completing the workload phase, workload path to them. Then checking social media or on-chain credential, whether the account linked Twitter, Discord, on-chain wallet have like a real Bless community member instead of a bot employed by farming studio. So this is a very good one to find out if you manipulate the system or not, and more. The more are not explained here, but there's going to be likely other important thing to know. Then let's quickly run to the next one, which is the claiming and redeeming process. So we're going to talk about claiming and redeeming process. That is stage 3. Claim and redemption for time. After the validation process is finished, we will begin the claim and redemption process for time. Now here, this third step is of the airdrop, which lasts for 14 days. So this is going to last for 14 days. So it's when you will see if you are eligible. So in between this space, we know that if you're eligible, then see how much time you will receive. Then decide how to redeem your time for Bless. So you're going to decide what to do. Then to also explain that for the redemption process, we have designed it to be benefit loyal community members that truly believe in shared computer, and to cop airdrop farmers who just wish to turn the token and move on to a new project. The redemption choices are 1. Claim Bless instantly for no boost. Claim staked Bless for major boost. And this is going to be an investing process. 1, 3 months, 3x, 12 months, 8x, and 18 months, 15x boost. So here you're going to decide either I want to stake for 3 months and get 3x, for 12 months and get 8x, or for 18 months and get 15x. Then in between this time, a lot might happen. The price of the token you claimed might go down, and you might be lucky enough for the price to go up a little when you redeem your token with any of these strategy you choose. Then it also talk about here. You can see that blessed redemption option, claim instantly, no boost. Then claim staked blessed for major boost. You have it here, guys. This is a very good one. Then the boosts are applied to your weight in the overall redemption, which has a defined pool of 8.5% of total blessed supply. Now then they give an example here. Example, 50% of airdrop claim are blessed community member, and the 50% airdrop farmer, they each have the same time allocation. The community member all choose 12 months and farmer choose immediate swap. The community member weight would be 50 times 80 over 50 times 80 plus 50 times 1, which is equal to 400 over 450, which is equal to 88.8% of the airdrop pool. Why, although the airdrop farmer make 50% of account, they will only receive 50 times 1 over 50 times 8 plus 50.1, which is going to be 11.11% of the airdrop. So account that do not decide on how to redeem Bless by the end of 14 days period will not lose their airdrop. So if you decide not to redeem or 14 days, you will not lose your airdrop, and 18-month stake will be applied as default. So if you fail to choose, then the system will apply for 18 months stake program for you, which is going to take you around 15x. So you have to decide which of these to do. Then after that, take us to the next phase, which is phase 4, receiving Bless. It will be evident how many Bless tokens one will receive once everyone make their redemption decision. You'll be able to see this number directly in the Bless dashboard and be able to withdraw it either immediately or when the staking duration. So after this, what next? So you have so many information that you see. We publish respective explainer for each of the following airdrops steps, as well as specific dates that are to be announced. Remember to stay safe around the time. Only use link from the official Blessed channel X, Discord, website, and dashboard. So you see it clearly, and a lot of people have been reacted to that. If you really want to enjoy this benefit, guys, keep mining, keep following, and do the right thing. That's all, guys. See you soon, guys, on our next video.